Hi, I hope you're having a great day and that you were able to find some delicious oatmeal variations that look yummy for you to try next week. Today we are going to be going over this paper that came with your videos. Please pause me and print it out and we'll start from there. The reason why this paper is so important is that everyone has their own unique flavors and textures and spices that they really enjoy. And these recipes that I'm going to give you over the next several weeks are kind of templates that you can change around to your personal preferences, but that will be harder to do if you don't know what they are. So we're going to take a minute today and go through this list. And after we've gone over it, please pause me again and write these things down for yourself. This will be very helpful for you as you try and adjust to this new way of eating. So on this paper, I want you to write down your favorite veggies and your favorite fruits and your favorite grains, and then any grains or fruits or vegetables that you've heard of that have never tried. This is the time to try those new flavors. You want to give yourself as many options as you can for success. And then take a minute to think about what spices you really love. For example, I really love to make homemade fries every week in my air fryer, and I just cover them with this really yummy Cajun seasoning blend that is in the Winco bulk section. My kids love this flavor or this seasoning blend called Nature Seasoning, and McCormick has just come out with a bunch of just spice blends. That one's called like garlic and herb, and they have like a Himalayan sea salt and cracked pepper and herb one that's really good. So just think through some spice profiles that you really like, because you want your food to taste really, really good to you. And then I want you to think about how you are doing with your water drinking. A lot of us are really bad at drinking water throughout the day, and when you're going to be introducing these new foods and so much fiber into your diet, you are going to need water. And so think of ways that you can make sure you get that water in every day. Some people put like sliced cucumbers or even berries in their water to just kind of flavor it up a little bit. Find a way to make sure you get your water in. And then I want to leave you with these two things that were life-changing for me when I first started. So as we talked about in our last video about that perspective shift, this app is one of the ones that helped me to do that every day, is to see what I needed to be focusing on instead of what I was missing. So if you get in your app store and you type in Daily Dozen, Dr. Greger, Greger, this will pop up. It's a free app that you can download. And what he's done is he's given you an overview of the things you need to be eating and drinking and doing every day for optimum health. And if you'll notice, there's the little eye icon next to each heading that will give you all of the items that fit within that heading, like lentils, beans, tofu, peas. All of those fit in the bean family, and you can just find a list of all of those in that subheading. And then it will also show you the proper portion sizes that you should be eating. And so I downloaded this app and I used it every day to click through and make sure I was eating all of these things, and I did not have time to fret about the things I was missing because I was so focused on what I needed to be getting in every day. Life-changing for me. So download that app. And then this is the second app that I got. So Cronometer is similar to MyFitnessPal, but I find that it really helps me focus on nutrients and making sure I'm getting all the vitamins and minerals and nutrients that I need daily from what I'm eating. This was especially healthy or good when I and healthy when I started eating this way, because it helped me to see and know for myself that yes, I am getting enough protein and I'm getting so much more fiber and I'm getting plenty of iron. Anything that I was concerned about not getting enough of, I could track it and see that I was doing just fine. It was really beneficial for me to see if there were any holes in what I was eating nutrient-wise that I needed to include more foods that would fill in those gaps. So these are just two apps that were really, really helpful for me when I first started. And I do want to be clear that I'm not a calorie counter. I've never really been into counting calories. I don't like things with my eating that like kind of take over my life. I just want to eat food that tastes good and eat until I'm full. And so I wasn't really focused on that part of it, but as far as nutrition-wise, this really, really, really helped me out. So take a minute today, make sure you fill out your paper because it will be very helpful for you moving forward to be able to substitute maybe some of the things I'm talking about that don't sound good to you with things that do sound good to you. And they're all interchangeable and it will work just fine. So I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.